ladies and gentlemen, time for the show. Once again, thank you for coming to our theater tonight. Have an enjoyable evening. The refreshment stand will remain open for a short time. Still plenty of time to get a snack or cold drink. We'll make an announcement before the stand closes to give you plenty of time to get that last-minute treat.
For Joey's Super Cool Food Reviews, I'm back. Today I'm doing my food mash-up for you, and I call it the Big Mac Animal. That's right, the Big Mac Animal. It has animal fries on it, and it's hearty and it's beautiful. Check this out, gang. This is the Big Mac Animal. It's crazy good. Woo! The Big Mac Animal! Woo! The most famous food mashup is the Cronut. It's a croissant hybrid donut all put together, and it swings, and it's famous. And this is Joey's food mashup, and I call it the Big Mac, the Big Mac Animal Style Burger, or the Big Mac Animal, whatever your choice is. So I went to Mickey D's, and I went to In-N-Out Burger, and I ordered a Big Mac, and then I ordered some animal fries, gang. I ordered animal fries from In-N-Out Burger out here in California. And anyway, and I put them together, and they joined through science and everything. So I put the animal style fries on the Big Mac underneath, the thingy, and I created the Big Mac Animal Burger. Woo! So look at this beautiful. It's beautiful. It's the Big Mac with the animal fries, and it's beautiful grilled onions, and it's got the iconic lechuga and everything from the Big Mac, and this is gonna swing. And here we go, gang. Joey's gonna try the Big Mac Animal Style Burger. The Big Mac Animal, get it? Animal fries and the Big Mac, and here we go. Mmm. Mm. 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 Wow. That is awesome. The Big Mac Animal Burger. Woo! The Big Mac was like $4.88, and the fries were like $5.82. So this is worth it, gang. And this thing swings. Look at this thing. Mmm. 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 Wow. Woo! It's the best of both worlds. The grilled onions, the animal fries, the cheddar cheese, in combination with McDonald's Big Mac, the patties, special sauce, lettuce, cheese, pickles on a sesame seed bun. You can't go wrong. Woo! So get to In-N-Out Burger, get to Mickey D's, try Joey's, the Big Mac Animal Burger, and you won't go wrong. You'll love it, gang. Please share, please like, please subscribe. You guys are awesome. This is Joe from Joey's Super Cool Food Review saying, peace.